Hi, I'm Dara Duguay, Director of Citi's Office of Financial Education. I want to welcome you to Citi Wallet Wisdom, a broadcast designed to help you better manage your personal finances. On today's show, we'll offer financial advice to people who are concerned about identity theft. It's a problem that affects millions of Americans each year. And while we're dependent on the technological advances that provide ease and convenience to our hectic lives, they may also provide criminals with powerful tools to gain access to our personal information and our finances. Case in point, Katie Jones. We've changed her name to protect her identity. Katie is a recent victim of identity theft. How did you first discover that your personal information had been compromised?
My mailbox. I opened it and found credit card statements in my name and someone else's name from a bank that I had never done business with before. So I thought that was a little bit strange. I opened them and found that there were thousands of dollars of credit card charges that had been rung up, and they had had the credit cards overnighted to my house while I was on vacation. I never thought it could happen to me. I shred everything. Everything. I never give out my phone number. I try not to shop online. I don't give out my social security number, but somehow it still happened.
Liza Landsman, a senior director with Citi Cards, offers advice for protecting yourself against identity theft. Liza, how can someone actually steal a person's identity?
Identity thieves can get access to your personal information by stealing your mail, by rummaging through your trash, by using information you share on the internet, by going through receipts you might have in your office or your home, even by obtaining a credit report by posing as an employer or a landlord. Identity thieves can do a number of things with your personal information. They could open phone or wireless service. They could even declare bankruptcy.
How can someone actually tell if they've been a victim of identity theft?
You might fail to receive a bill that you normally receive. This could be a sign that someone has changed your address without your knowledge. You might receive a credit card in the mail that you never applied for, or you might notice charges on an existing account that were not for purchases that you made yourself.
Katie, were you ever able to figure out who actually stole your identity?
No, we haven't figured that out yet, and it's really troubling. It's one of those things that really shakes you to the core to know that someone's out there with your social security number, your address, all of your information. This could happen again.
In addition to Liza's advice, the United States Department of Justice recommends using the acronym SCAM to protect your personal information. Be stingy about giving out your personal information to others unless you have a reason to trust them, regardless of where you are. Check your financial information regularly and look for what should be there and what shouldn't. Ask periodically for a copy of your credit report. Maintain careful records of your banking and financial accounts. Katie, you've been through so much. Have you done anything else since then to protect yourself?
You know, I did. I shut down all of my bank accounts, credit card accounts, retirement accounts, anything that had my social security number linked to it. I spoke to every one of those companies or organizations and closed that particular account and opened a new one with a new number. I just thought it was the safest thing to do, and it takes a lot of time to do. I think when your identity is at stake and when it's your information that's at risk, it's important to take charge and get this stuff done as soon as possible.
If you would like more information about today's topic, you can visit our website, financialeducation.citi.com. I'm Dara Duguay. Thank you for watching this episode of Citi Wallet Wisdom.